Hello guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to update our macOS on MacBook in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, if you're, if you are experiencing a log, a bug or anything on your MacBook and it's kind of, you know, hung, so there might be a problem on your operating system, okay? So in order to avoid that, guys, we need to make sure that our Mac OS is on to date. Okay. So in order for us to see if our Mac OS is updated, we need to go to our settings, of course. Let's go to our settings and it will take us to our general, okay? So to check if our Mac OS is updated, we need to go to the software update. Okay, click that one, guys. Okay. Okay, you just have to wait for a sec because it says that checking for updates. So let's see. Okay, so it says here, guys, that your Mac is up to date. So there's no need for me to update my Mac OS. So in your end, guys, if you there's something like we need to update now, upgrade your so you need to do that, guys, because it will help you a lot. Okay, so that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials. So please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on MacBook. Thank you.